Top 3. Enjoy delicious, homemade cold brew coffee in just minutes. No need to wait for the traditional 18 to 24 hours to prepare homemade cold brew coffee. The Vinci Express Cold Brew Coffee Maker allows you to brew your very own cold brew coffee within minutes. Vinci's patented circle flow brewing technology ensures a fast, delicious, bold cold brew that is smooth, clean, and virtually sediment-free. Coffee brew strengths to choose from. There's an option for everyone. Select from light, 5 minutes, medium, 10 minutes, bold, 15 minutes, or extra bold, 25 minutes. Saves you money. The Vinci Express Cold Brew Coffee Maker pays for itself. No need to visit a local coffee shop for cold brew coffee or buy coffee from a grocery store. You can now make your own freshly brewed coffee straight from home. Easy, self-cleaning operation. Includes the 5th setting to self-clean the coffee filtration system. All parts included. Flushes residual coffee from the unit. Cleans and drains the brew path. Pitcher washed separately. Any use of hot water will void the warranty. Top 2. Brew multiple brew sizes, ranging from a pod-free single cup or travel mug, all the way up to a full carafe. Hot brewing lets you enjoy a bold, flavorful cup of hot coffee or tea, or brew over ice to create full-flavored, refreshing iced beverages. Brew your favorite style of tea, whether you use tea bags or loose leaf, with a specially designed tea brew basket. Auto IQ One-Touch Intelligence Technology. Built-in frother turns hot or cold milk into a silky smooth froth in seconds, with nothing more than the press of a button. The thermal carafe is not dishwasher safe. Top 1. Make smooth, flavorful cold brew coffee at home in just 15 minutes. No more waiting 12 to 24 hours. Rapid cold brew technology spins coffee grounds through a water tornado to make cold brew fast. No bitterness because coffee grounds are never exposed to high temperatures. Fill carafe with water, adjust whirlpool speed, add coffee grounds, and brew. Spinning water rapidly circulates coffee grounds for quick, complete flavor extraction. Glass carafe, filter, and grounds cup are dishwasher safe. Power base with detachable cord for easy storage. Check the description below on where to buy it.